Welcome to Journey Through India's most famous places. India is a land of vibrant colors, rich history, and diverse cultures. From the snow-capped Himalayas in the north to the sun-kissed beaches in the south, every corner of this country tells a unique story. In this video, we'll explore some of the most iconic destinations that have captured the hearts of travelers from around the world. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or someone seeking spiritual peace, India has something special for everyone. Let's begin our adventure and discover what makes these places so unforgettable. First stop is the Taj Mahal, located in Agra. This magnificent white marble mausoleum is one of the seven wonders of the world and a symbol of eternal love. Built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, the Taj Mahal attracts millions of visitors every year. Its stunning architecture, intricate carvings, and beautiful gardens leave everyone in awe. As the sun rises or sets, the monument glows with a magical light, making it a photographer's paradise. The Taj Mahal is not just a monument, but a testament to India's rich history and artistry. Next, we travel to Jaipur, famously known as the Pink City. The city gets its nickname from the distinct pink color of its buildings, which were painted to welcome the Prince of Wales in 1876. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan and is renowned for its majestic forts, palaces, and vibrant markets. The Hawa Mahal, with its unique honeycomb design, and the Grand Amber Fort are must-visit attractions. Walking through the bustling bazaars, you'll find beautiful handicrafts, jewelry, and textiles that reflect the rich culture of Rajasthan. Jaipur is a perfect blend of history, architecture, and tradition. Journey continues to Varanasi, one of the oldest living cities in the world. Situated on the banks of the sacred Ganges River, Varanasi is the spiritual heart of India. Pilgrims from across the globe come here to seek blessings, perform rituals, and witness the mesmerizing Ganga Aarti at the Ghats. The city is a maze of narrow lanes filled with temples, shrines, and vibrant life. The sights, sounds, and sense of Varanasi create an unforgettable experience. It's a place where spirituality and tradition come alive, offering a glimpse into India's ancient soul. Now let's head south to Kerala, often called God's own country. Kerala is famous for its serene backwaters, lush greenery, and tranquil houseboat cruises. The network of lakes, rivers, and canals creates a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. As you glide through the backwaters on a traditional houseboat, you witness picturesque villages, swaying coconut trees, and vibrant bird life. Kerala is also known for its Ayurvedic treatments and delicious cuisine. It's a perfect destination for relaxation and rejuvenation, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Next destination is Goa, the beach paradise of India. Known for its golden sands, swaying palms, and vibrant nightlife, Goa attracts tourists from all over the world. Whether you want to relax on the beach, try water sports, or dance the night away at a beach party, Goa has it all. The state also boasts charming Portuguese-influenced architecture and delicious seafood. From the lively Baga Beach to the peaceful Palolem Beach, each spot offers a unique vibe. Goa is the perfect place to unwind, have fun, and soak up the sun. Heading north, we reach the breathtaking Himalayas. This majestic mountain range is home to some of the world's highest peaks, including Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga. The Indian Himalayas offer stunning landscapes, adventure sports, and spiritual retreats. Popular destinations like Shimla, Manali, and Leh attract trekkers, nature lovers, and those seeking peace. The fresh mountain air, snow-capped peaks, and serene monasteries make the Himalayas a must-visit for anyone looking to reconnect with nature and experience adventure. Southern India, the city of Mysore is famous for its Grand Mysore Palace. This architectural marvel is a blend of Hindu, Muslim, Rajput, and Gothic styles. The palace is beautifully illuminated every Sunday and during the Dussehra festival, creating a magical spectacle. Inside, you'll find opulent halls, intricate carvings, and royal artifacts that tell the story of Mysore's rich heritage. The palace grounds are equally impressive, with lush gardens and vibrant flower beds. Visiting Mysore Palace is like stepping back in time to an era of royalty and splendor. As our journey comes to an end, it's clear that India's famous places are as diverse as its people. From ancient monuments and spiritual cities to natural wonders and vibrant markets, each destination offers a unique glimpse into the country's soul. Whether you're exploring the timeless beauty of the Taj Mahal, the spiritual energy of Varanasi, or the tranquil backwaters of Kerala, India promises unforgettable experiences. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the wonders of India, where every place has a story to tell and memories to create.